our living room, and the kids and I decided we wanted to do a little something different in here. So we pretty much, in a sense, just flipped our room, if that makes any sense. Our bookshelf and our buffet cabinet used to be on this wall, and of course there's our manger with Jesus. I never thought that having the couch on this wall, I always felt like it would be too much in where the door is, and people wouldn't be able to have a good walk space. But actually there is plenty of walk space through here. So from the front door, if you were to walk into the living room, I've always had the couch on that side. And so we didn't want to move too much. We moved a couple little pieces off the wall, but we left it mainly the way it was. And then we just shifted. It almost gives the appearance of a larger room. So we are keeping the chairs here for right now, but getting closer to Christmas time, we're probably just going to actually sit them here on this side and make more of like a cozy space. And then we'll put our Christmas tree right there, so we really won't have to move a whole lot. We left this cabinet here, and the reason we actually ended up moving the couch there is because this actually opens, and it has a TV inside, but it doesn't work, so we do need to get a new TV. But if we were sitting at the couch, we can now, from both the couches, be able to watch the TV. And that's a piece that I got from Goodwill years and years ago. I paid $35, I think, for it, and restained it red because it was the wood color inside. So we left the blanket ladder there. We'll put some more blankets there. And then we put our books and our buffet on that side. Still, Mom's desk is there. And then the kitchen, of course. Hey, Alon. And so there we have the couches and the table. We think it looks really nice. I'm not sure if I'm going to put anything else on that wall. I think we're good for right now. And again, this is just for holiday and for prepping for Christmas. Of course, I'm not putting out any Christmas decorations until after Thanksgiving. So I do know that I'm probably a bad YouTuber because there are some YouTubers that are putting their stuff out tomorrow. I am not here for it. I actually do need to have Thanksgiving. I need fall, I need Thanksgiving, and then I'm going to need to do Christmas. My brain won't do it before then. So anyway, we just thought we would share with you the few things that we were doing in here today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel, and we'll see you next video. Bye now.